Good evening, guys. I know my baby no allow me do this video today. They hear my voice. What help me share? Good evening. My people, more help me share. You get one music will be different. Now sunshine, I should sing that song. I be more like me share. Now sunshine sing that music. Aderume edame. Emi yarobo same. Emi yarobo same o. Irapamadame. Guy te singer. Owe adeyin temata mawe. Enoge. Adewe esi wa. Otemata mawe. Uwe. The writing no me no do ya. Itamawe be social media. What's our monarchy we wo wa enoge. Do you believe where the kind of relationship we have see why je or till we wo wa ewility. I dey come I dey share first. Okay, may I play the video. I bet my people wanna share, men and see where see why for talk. Whether he talk bad thing no, you know say a general other say he that we marriage na he say na they don't delete her. Okay, I dey come. May I use this for plan? I dey come my first share first. Aderume o godame. Ebi yarobo same. Ebi yarobo same o. Irapamadame. Eloge, uwe gi roro wunu. We meti lelesi uwe gi imi general na uwe roro. Ye odegbu wene. Uwe marriage gagbowe. Agiti ogunu oh. Let me share first. Let me share. The share my novice. Where I come to, I don't even confuse. Okay, I don't see where I dey. Okay, Mona listing. They don't delete her. They delete her. Shit. They don't delete her. Wait. Hot mommy logger. Okay, see her here.
The manager go well because why? You not doing my dictionary before. I not even the dream man. Say I can't get anything to do with you.
No get.
What do you want them to say about that video? Ni andu against me. Ni ado time I will go why ya. You wash you. Not say the manager do well.
Not be even this one self. Wait, not be even this one. The one way see why just talk go before we go play Enogi reply. Now they talk. May I see whether he delete her. He delete her. That be hot mommy. Who blocked that thing? My soul blogger. Okay. Nah. No, not be. Who blocked this thing? They say Iyore share the video. It be like say they report that page. Enoge. If Enoge see say and don't delete am, oh yeah, report a page. Now so the person don't delete am. Now me they tell you. Make the person not submit. Make the person not make the right. If you not get the report your page, you are the report to Facebook. You are the report to Facebook. If you not get see say and don't the meter, now say they do. If you add all the meeting, no get the report the page. You see what he talk for this video now. Or bola wegbe no gi. Wa soon umamiemi. He don't say I dey try to plan. My Godfather, I said that to my Godfather. My Godfather plan for this thing. Now because he see say he plan. Because I take notice of that video. Now he be like say he report that blog. See what he talk. He say if he enemy see this video now, see he report all the people.
He will never see what if you don't know buy that
You don't
know buy that
my career go back. Me na hear
I can't get anything to do with you. A video you will only. What do you want them to say about that video?
Okay.
Against me. Iyore wash you. Also, the man I do go.
Enogo mamiemi. Yeah, see web bolua. I know say na that call where I call for my Godfather platform. Why I talk about this matter because Enoge, you know I'm saying the truth. Yeah, boy with social media now. I know say you watch my Godfather. I know say you hear my call for there. And everything where I talk for my Godfather platform, all is true. All is true. Where? You know say I want to analyze this video. You know say I want to analyze her. When don't analyze it. When don't analyze it sugbon. It is true. You tell see where many things about Mama Nora. It's a video now. Ima total tie. Everything is true. What you see where I talk is true. Anita, what I talk for my Godfather platform, all is true. And I see the video now. Now I want to play. So now I want to play. I know that one not deleted. Yeah, Mama Nora. Now the one where see what I do. Now I be one fair play. Because I come from my Godfather platform. I say Mama Nora don't come saga see well. He say I send out the video. Now I'm not you not tell me say make I send that because I go send out the video. I can't send out the video. Now hot mommy bloggers now for see that video. You understand me so? Now I can't send out give my Godfather. Now everything where see where I talk, you not talk bad. You the saga Iyore because he say he support Monica. You now come see what I go do you doge? Ya zaza wesi gbomuja heme. Ne degbe na boya son. It's because you be they talk like this. If they sleep with you, that is he don't promise you where say he go leave Mama Nora Maria. He don't promise you why many things. May do not make you see why they call that house every day, every time, sleep there. He general or zua boo boo boo. He don't talk bad about Mama Nora. Enoge don't send Mama Nora to that woman. He don't send Mama Nora to that woman. Me Mama Nora they no zuo. My husband. I know say my husband no fit do am. I say you get what you tell see why. Yes.
He wash away. He get away. Oh, you gotta go and see where I don't have TV. I don't know it. Epa. If you don't know, make your bone well.
Yeah, that's a good one now. See where who look here. See where who look here. Who look here. Who's wrong Bible. Who tell you to see here, babe.
Just come.
If you come at it, on the muja, or where and not get no office and but you don't want to ask. We get anything we would hide. You will get anything when you know about us. Say if the young talk of that, the young talk.
He don't.
He will never see why take time. If you don't know buy it that way.
You don't
know buy it that way. Take time. Again, I don't boy. Don't woman and when. Yeah, see what bad video now. I'm Papa Negwe. Never go better. Me and one way. Another one tomorrow.
Go inside.
I don't get man up when other people outside when me outside where.
People should go
Who
inside.
look here?
No.
Who look here? If you don't know about do my better you know about the way I watch if you don't know.
Daddy, good evening. Good evening, Daddy.
See where who look here? Take time. Take time.
Mama Nora, you don't need to trust Enoge. Hey. Enoge wey fit dey tell DJ wisdom everything about you. You talk up for TikTok. Talk less on see where get peku. Shut up. Hey. You get wetin that they deny for man for. You get wetin let me this kind one. Shut up. Now everything you go the way they know say who don't know Enoge. Yeah, you want call the cover for Enoge like say Enoge na responsible man. Me and you know say Enoge na one can buy shooter. Shut up. No be you call say see whoever now. You the plan my affair come on first before you call. Mama Nora shut up. Enoge don't bring you down for you see where they cat. Park where? If let me be you never talk because you don't know what you know they don't tell you why. No get wrong with Nuna. Get wrong no say who wrong with you? Yeah, man. Let's listen to your that one way blogger. He not blogger way. He only blog short one. Where for even do the video? One on our work.
You dey crazy, you dey mad. I at here, but no.
Okay, see why you call her.
Ina mi go one ni do agbe ogbere. It was shift.
If they call see why for phone. That's why they call for phone. He put for here. Be like see why they talk to her.
What you want to say? No.
Me. Anyway, even your time I went now because he really left me already. You understand me?
That's why they talk to her. You don't get no fit talk.
Even your time I went now. Even when your time I went now, presently.
May I tell you, as I no get finish this live video, he don't come up for house, go call see why. Let me tell you. For this video, we no get do so. After this live video, no get don't come up for house, go call see why. Let me tell you. Mokuna take her or mokuna leave her. The appearance show. Let me continue.
Larry, if we even in the time now, presently, now, you know you decided to do it in your own convenient time.
Okay.
So whatsoever I do.
Let's say Godfather take the thought to Goddaughter. Hey, in a romantic way. Do you know what is the meaning of Goddaughter? Do you know what is the meaning of Godfather? Do you know what is the meaning of Godfather? Before I use say my Godfather wife be my godmother, I know the reason. Immediately I have Godfather, the way I have godmother boy. Maybe anytime a godmother now, or anytime definitely anytime a godfather he must okay anytime a meta a godfather meta. He may man here with godmother. No yari by a time all the here over the social media. That is the reason why I dey pray make my godfather marry woman where I feel come mommy. Now make he favor me, the woman favor me. The woman where my godfather marry, or what favor me, egbe okome yo ito gala. Yes, omoni atiti eje, omoni atiti e mommy. Oh, yari yo kakeregbe, oh when me shut up me no erebe wa. Iwe ke udera me ni ewe. Hey, see the way you dey talk to your goddaughter in a romantic way. Your goddaughter, yeah, not Mona listen to the romantic way. If me want to talk to my godfather, not be say go come. Go. Now through my mama they pass go there. Through my mother, now they pass go there. If you dey talk to your papa like this, go. Do you know what is the meaning of Godfather? Girl, you tell me Godfather, what is supposed to tell your woman with a romantic way? We are to messy way. Is your Godfather? No problem, we agree with you. We beg when we are make warrior. Oh yeah.
It's my own convenient time as well. So now we when you time away. Mom.
You understand? Romantic way. Okay.
You did what you did from your mindset.
This one I'm with me. I better share this video. You know the year what I the year so. No, normal.
I do on my own mindset is not your business.
Wait. Let's see here. Let's say Godfather and Goddaughter are supposed to play talk. No. Wait. They need to talk. In this, you again nah. Yeah, mama nyo nah. I be quiet, shut up, mukna list way. It be like saying I me they put my gear and salt. Mona about herself list. Normal Godfather and Goddaughter. Normal mokuna look am. Mokuna listing.
The outcome of it. You do not even know the outcome of what you went and did.
When your goddaughter do something, immediately you go shun her. You go give her. You just be like your own papa, your biological father. You go shun her immediately. You remember the day when I come outside, when I say, me Becky come outside, I say, may come guide, the same come fight. You were like, come my godfather, I say, I want to contribute for what you want to talk. You see the way my godfather take give me woto. After he give me finish, he say, yeah, talk what you want to talk. I said, no, I not the talk again. No worry. Later, I end the call. You see, he disciplined me as a daughter. That is Because this one, oh, I wish blogger if you go call that video. They make they call this video where no gay. They call see why so. Make they see where be the real goddaughter or godfather. Or more than just know the difference. You don't talk to your goddaughter. Now you who were like bondon. Who were like bondon. Oh yeah. More listen to your romantic voice.
We do we man we yaw. I will go kill you. I are your one. The crazy, the mad.
Okay.
I are your one.
Okay. Like goddaughter.
I are your one. You
like
know,
this.
it's a yes or no question. You the crazy, the mad of I are your one. Imagine more where he speaker. Say now we move on. The crazy, the mad I are your one. In Nonia. Oh, see where. You the crazy, the mad I are your one. Is a question. Okay. Hey, man, I say no know about where.
You fear the godfather.
Daniel,
You even fear your goddaughter.
Larry,
Papa, they fear goddaughter.
You got your magume. In a mere woman, you do a gbe. You was shift. Made it to get me.
Goddaughter.
In a your magume, if I call you my own. Me met me, who went now with media or whatsoever. Or you do me your bar. You do a talent. You no pa. Me, yeah, said they're going to see my
godfather. Godfather, my met you good goddaughter go.
Yeah, you may have already in a video. You may have already in a video, see where. You may have not all. I say not the about where you de craze, you de mad. See where you de craze, you de mad. And you may tamu when that way you de craze, you de mad. I have to know.
You no get confused. You no get confused. You no get confused.
You know, it's a question one way. You de craze, you de mad. I have to know.
Na so Godfather take dey talk to goddaughter. Discipline dey discipline. Na so Godfather take dey talk to goddaughter. If goddaughter go wrong, hey, I never see this kind of goddaughter. Oh, Iyore, a goddaughter make godfather. The goddaughter do something. You dey talk to her. You don't fit talk. We might go where we know. Okay, let's continue.
So if you were only ma. No. If you were that Damio.
See what don't delete the video.
Oh, here you are moving now. Imagine everywhere me take dota. Everywhere me can take dota. Here you move. What do you move now? Because everyone have me at dota. Imamu ekowe, ibere miskowe si imamu adi imamu ekowe imi.
You see, he say in the sea miskowe not pee because he dey ass. Mama nora dey ass. At you beg na we mama typhoon again. You beg
Imi now we say no carry.
Okay.
I know me, but I really would it sort of where's the river. Don't ask me that kind of stupid question.
Okay.
That's a very stupid. For you to even ask me where that is the river, who wet him was video. Don't ever. I the better man where that is where's the river. Are you okay?
Your godfather, a godfather where? We go. Who when no gota? You are asking your father question. For who was godfather with Facebook. For godfather, very pepper. Do you know what is the meaning of godfather? Una you they misuse this godfather. Now you see somebody say one day godfather. Wow, we don't know the meaning. You don't know the meaning. What can you a godfather and what dear godfather won't una senior. When I have godfather, guy, goddaughter no water. I'll carry for come my godfather. I call they ask her question. Do you even know? Even when as I even talk herself, may I not even go that area self. Near the you done, he met you with no person wey get sense emeti go na even dey stupid wey I even talk go that area. Ijeme nene mi ye kwa wunu ama wu wa de mwegbe Godfather we are not that when we are no enoge you dey feel am you dey feel the body enoge dey shake nya ha gori megwan eriji meka gugwane imeke gori megwan igbesi ibe go egwe we nije me ta me to boy igwe no ta me to boy e no really time be do tie we de daddy ta de no ta ama we wari phone where is we are near water aye. Do you know that you are talking to your biological father? You are asking your own father question. Everywhere no be where. Why you with Godfather? Guy, I not be say I dey talk I my Godfather. Everybody know na my heart are the poor. My Godfather, not be say go come. I value I pass my papa. Not be say I dey say me he's a no. Everybody know for this social media. Everybody know. I don't want to go that area. More not change am. I don't want to change this topic. Il me ke de mori meladian, de muji meladian. De wiya we ni eni wiya e. O da me si gboko. Imam fatherly love. Ige me won no ge ma me. Igwe ni e grab e. So can't you see why the time I got mother, not the time my biological mother. My mama called me for my birthday. He prayed for me. I call my godmother by myself. I'm not that stupid. Then my papa can't finish up. He can't come outside. I can't do the May prayer. I'm okay. Oh, if my papa. If I call Alpha, I say hey body, yes okay, my pikin they do okay, okay, bye bye. If you fool me, Alpha. Oh no, me idane. Your own papa, your own Godfather. See the way Godfather and Goddaughter they talk.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Godfather atame Goddaughter that whether you dey okay.
Also, you might tell me call because imagine Atama, dating a girl do the record you. I'm not even free with you anymore. So you asking
yes.
me, is this something?
We see am, we just see am. Not be you go talk say you are not even free anymore. You understand? We know, not be say with your voice, everything your talk. Not be you go talk am. Your body language, even your response to see why said it all.
It's not towards the river. Also, that way, Imani Atama will not be your matter carry me come. Because he came, he go out, he go out, he really want kakabo. Will not be your matter carry me come here. Lao, Emma to way.
Eloge, the video where say you dey fine, where my papa tell lead down, beg you, lead down for live video, where you put out for live video. You dey tell one woman, may help you go find that video, come. I beg, if you feel unblock me, may I send that, give you for WhatsApp, it dey with me. I keep that video for a purpose. I keep that video for a purpose. The time don't come. I even remember my papa self. Wait, tell me say he get accident. I send out that video. So if you need that, unblock me, my forward and give you. You understand? Unblock me, my forward and give you. I get an elbow. Mais non, mon run You say you want to cut and tell you I do blogger. Just unblock me or sell your fans. Make them tell me say that video where my papa tell you that for social media. I be I tell you that when my papa and my mama they beg. Where they call they beg you. I be where they donate money giver. The video they with me. You understand? So if you need that, I'll sell that for you. Oh yeah, let's continue. May I quick tell you down.
They matter what we marry. They matter we when we see where. Not be your matter me. What we are what we like many times you wishes.
Now so Godfather take the thought to Goddaughter. For all this thing. Real Godfather. Say yes, you not be real Godfather, not be say nothing attached to this Godfather. As they talk, as a Goddaughter, you as a Godfather, you end that call for ear. Oh, go yo gore. Era me fearful you well. Era me fearful you well. Oh, go yo gore. The next thing, oh, you go to fed the next available person where they close to you. My Godfather get one certain time when my Godfather block me. That I never know my godmother. Meanwhile, I know they release my husband number. I use my husband number take call am after he blocked me for almost three SIM card. I use my husband number take call am. How I did desperate pass. Now I tell you so. I did desperate. Even when you come and block me, I can't maintain my guard. Because I can't confuse because they may beg the people confuse be making me stay. I thank God I not me go with. I was staying on my leg because he make any la. Not be now. Wait, don't marry my godmother. Not be now where I can't even they do any herself. Oh, really me yahu. Oh, go try before. Goddaughter and Godfather. Ni me na wasanye sare me na me wopa na rugu wome. Wetin no reach my Godfather will take block me. He block me. But the things when me don't do, he don't pass that one. I'ma block him, eh? Me when me da atiji me. Only is a get. Oh. You people doesn't know what is the meaning of Godfather. Oh, we didn't go that way. Okay. Before, see, not be say my Godfather, you come and cut off, say, says my goddaughter. No, even when we are not say, see, why is my goddaughter? Becky is my goddaughter. My not call like that. Na character, na things where you do, na things they lead to that place. They know they carry places say maybe my Godfather. Waiting before that man become your Godfather. Waiting you see for a body. Waiting he do to you before you call that man to be your Godfather. Him your saver. When one man day, nah, back in my Goddaughter. Who they follow now? They do competition. Who they follow now? They do competition. I post one video, one pictures. Who my heart see you carry that moment. My godmother, my Godfather, my son within Nigeria, and my sister. My godmother daughter, the first daughter for year. I put all of them. I can't post them. No get dance. Becky see go dance. Who they follow now? They do competition. Who don't know what I think. You don't know what I sleep. Think. Competition. Not the more not they do competition. Godfather not before Facebook. If you don't know what it be the meaning of Godfather. See Godfather they ask he Goddaughter they ask he Godfather question. Goddaughter when you supposed to call for year. If they talk nonsense, father no they talk too much. Now mama and pikin they talk. Papa no they talk too much. If you dey read, they fear your papa. Don't want gele mweru owangu we tu munu geru wa o. We azena ni balo we buju we. See what do they tell your Godfather? He get where Godfather sit the papa picky. Everything is not about ash. He see get where for sit the papa picky. But romantic way now. This why you the friend them o. Who were friend them man? But me tigwa no ge na. Where tigwa?
And do I pass through corner do agwa?
Okay.
They ask me, and I'm your mama with me.
Okay.
I do I know what they remove the cabana. It is an ogun at your gun. It came out of my really love you. Did I not tell you that I'm live?
Okay. See Goddaughter o.
I mean, I know when I went. Oh, good they kill you. Oh, good they you they mad they crazy. I had here Bonoa. Where we said we one not now. You might go to me anytime away.
Okay.
Just do your.
See Godfather not fit talk to Goddaughter.
Where you been? Mark me anywhere yo. Emaga show egun esi. Imagine they go.
This one shock o.
Ojo get go agie. We topic in again. Ya we video we want to no get we short on the can we topic in again. Ni awa we yes ba kid very ne.
Imagine. That means that Goddaughter for Facebook.
Softwares on you. What kind of thing is that? Who eti mozo a who to on eh. O we je na we go ma agui. O wa ni we gbagui. Me na ni to tag we. See where they go ma because why can see my Iyore. Iyore ro vi me bi we la to tam Iyore wo go aro yi. Ige la to aro Iyore. Let the Iyore ro vi yi me. Were you not alive? Why did you not come out to say Iyore wa guru vie no ge a? O me se we nyana or to women ya gbe Iyore ru don't matter. Where obo this that la we go do me in time away. Ima only lose here, ima only move, ima only do asaga we. Because all that we but you are pushing me to that end that right now. This will not be saga. This saga na here. This is just a misunderstanding. Yeah, here saga we. If we push on that area, see where you're. It's saga we. But if you know what you did, for you to ask me if what you did is wrong, meaning you know what you are doing.
Okay.
So don't come here and start telling me who tell me better we really live with you. Okay. You don't ask me such questions. We know about a video on because one more we can with video on you are not a baby.
Okay.
You don't think you're the like that. Uta mewe lare o bosuno wagu yaro ye. How can you be calling me Godfather? Do I tell my way? You know that matter. Very proud mommy. The same matter you return here at Bewa. The masetto nini wesi no one always say me. In fact, many are time away. Mao lao. I don't even know what to tell you. So they think I manipulate you. Ndo saga if they want to manipulate you towards me, they should manipulate you towards me. Even your time away short. Go. Just move ahead. What kind of stupid truth is that?
It's too late for you, bro.
What kind of stupid truth?
It's too late for you, bro.
Mami, you remember in the matter. Mama, in the matter. You know, my mother is homeless. You did come aside. Maladiano daughter me Iyore where. Iyore we no get me. We no get mama can wa good say. We no get to atie. You get homeless.
Good evening, ma.
Stupid and useless and non-entity truth.
See Goddaughter and Godfather. They are playing romantic way.
Because where?
Yeah.
You know, they my dictionary before. I know even the dream.
Your mother not ask a question.
Get anything to do with you.
God forbid.
A video no we only. What do you want them to say about that video? Me and Lue against me.
The video don't delete that video.
Why ya? You wash you way. I said man I do go go. You way. Maybe I'm in a row no time my own time. You wash you way. You way. Oh, you gotta go and see where I don't have TV. I don't know it. Epa If you don't you make a bone well.
You never know what now. See where who look here. See where who look here. Who look here. Who's wrong Bible. Who tell you to see ye be.
Just come.
If you comment it back on the mudia or where and not get no office but you don't come there. We get anything we would hide. You will get anything when you know about us. Say if the young talk of the young talk.
Iyore.
You will never see why take time.
You don't by yourself the confess so. You see where my guana.
Take time. Again, I don't boy, don't woman and when.
The girl not dog by Becky. A Becky or the Bessie way. A Becky Varela Yagwesaga. A Becky. The no yagbe. Yo, Jodo. Becky Lord the get bezaza. I will see your well at the I will see what Becky with that no game I like. You wait us says look against Becky, a look at my love where or my right like you are record where a Becky now you be record the Godfather while you are like this guy Godfather. I like it. I like to the watch this guy Godfather where the Tom and Jerry, the everything the boss. Oh, I will Godfather, I will Goddaughter my negbuwa. Godfather and Goddaughter to benefit. Why ya benefit egbuwa? Why see why not support you? Beg away in the Godfather who Emma. And when the Godfather now, why Godfather? We know so now be Godfather. Godfather can never react like this. Godfather can never do like this. God You see what he rough for you, hear your Godfather don't mash lie. The next way you go do, you call live video. This my Godfather, I like him. Up to me, I wish I feel consider call the world drama. But as they see photo, they like him. This kind of drama of Godfather. I like this kind of Godfather. Iyore. See the way Godfather they talk to Goddaughter in a romantic way. Iyore. Oh, Iyore. Hey, Godfather na go megwa. What is besan? Even like my husband Feto say, what are you doing? Before they call my Godfather, my daddy for where my husband dey. My husband go call my Godfather like this. If you give me phone, I say, Daddy, for your present, now you go pass phone for me. Because why? Trust. Because why? You know the way I dey talk about my Godfather. Me and my husband, we dey use that my Godfather take they eat for table. Not be say. If we want you see laugh, we will carry my Godfather. Matter, we go zanzaran. How you take the put wig for head? How you take the put breast for this thing? How you take the pants? So tell the catchy way you go talk. Ma wa ya boge. You get the day where I don't know what happen. My husband call say I call your Godfather now. Na still phone. Now say your pikin don't spoil my phone. You go buy me phone. He said, my dad they play. He said, hey, you call your papa now. You get too father. Iyore, you get too father. You call your papa. Then he got to say, he prefer me call my papa where my biological papa. Me and we just sit down for ground. We all laugh. We laugh. You say me call who? My papa. I be that one they even get the first person where he born 3. Me collect 2. He said, no, that one you want me, I call. Now, so for me to call that one, I'll call my Godfather. I'll call my Godfather. Me and my husband, they use my Godfather. Now, we come here, I be here, I go gear. He go run away, beer, said, That was my biological papa. My papa, my godfather say, I want you. I dealt with my, I did with the is a bogie. Only yet a godfather. My husband go do that. They call my godfather daddy. Because my husband not like him. If I call her daddy, no, they answer me. Not be say my no, they answer me. If I call her daddy, he know they answer me. He say no, if you drag your position with your papa. Now when they carry bag. Now who not go school now they carry bag. You know they carry husband daddy. My husband not like her. If I call her daddy, not go answer. He know the answer. Dear, hey, go answer. Now dear, we they call ourselves. Godfather. If I they call my godfather daddy, sometimes for live video, why they call my godfather for live video, they call her daddy. My husband they with me there. Sometimes me and he go they eat. We go they watch my godfather. If I they call, you go say must you call? Now say I go call. Now say my call. I they like the comment where they put. You go say I see you put this comment now. You see now you no go call the fly for comment section. Well, they is and laugh. And you now if you want talk, you know they talk blah. Well, they is man. Only yet your godfather. You know your godfather, you know your husband.
Tomorrow. Go inside. People should go inside.
Who look here?
No.
Who look here? If you don't know about do my belly, you know about the way I wash if you don't know about. Why it's your one who why be a gualele? See where who look here? Take time. Take time.
Mama no shut up oh, he get oh. No trust a no gay. If a no gay fit tell DJ wisdom about you, my guy, shut up. No deny for a no gay oh. A no gay no be man wey they deny for. Why you babe via gunu? If na me be you, lalo. Agbodimi. Wetin no get don tell see why about you mama na no make matter. If na me be you, wa go nu we zegbe no doctor. If na me be you, may first shoot. Before I no get be like water. You yourself supposed to be like water. Many things there where they don't talk. Yeah, if I no get no fit talk, you see the way you dey talk now. You see the way you dey talk. I no get no fit talk like that oh. We go see what go on. Well, go see what I go. And you dey inside house, you dey listen to that. I know say you dey listen. After you don't receive the call finish, you can't come outside. You dey listen.
What do you know you want to say?
No.
For the past, someone of my question here, ready? When you, how many times you enter here? I don't verse.
On his me no go ni say him.
Who look here?
We only say on him.
You're that for me.
I know what I'm doing.
Tell me down.
Okay.
On say when he may iguari long group
That
no
is
man.
what we call Godfather because
Video ni.
I'll that
Give me a video ni. I was just smiling. When I say
it's too much. I beg go. We
I
too
already
much.
foreseen everything. You know what I was
Do another video. Do another one.
Oma na saga yime. Ona tiyeme homeless. When the mayor lile said to work bomb and no one I say.
What do you tell me?
When you not call me on.
Then Iyore wa una nuhana wagba wa. Diogi Obama rest you way. Homeless Iyore ta. Diogi Obama mu you wa mamu you we yegan. You know gay. See what matter me down. Homeless or tea Di mari one around you On na wa ke 500 euro ladian. On wa ye ni we. Homeless cannot hear you can the baby. On no wa arrested you where. On arrest you where. No make your mama come out for the house where they see they sleep. Ah, no gay. Now wow.
No life. Every week me yo. Every week me yo. Una do ando very pound. Come on. It tell me down. Oh, matter me down. For you to even call me and be asking me that, they to tell me that is another big insult again on my personality.
For you to always say,
but
that one is different.
But
Why look here?
no, Omaka, whatever you say is none of our business. Omaka, yo, Omaka cannot do it like that. With it, Johnny.
We just congratulations. You don't be saying call up again.
Omaka, not even like that. With it, Johnny.
Promo post if I call up again. Promo post when I go agreement again. Our Ghana, ya wish I grab mommy. Hey, Damoe. Hey, Damoe. Wakamu Saga, who are the Saga, man? Stop advising or anything. Just come and direct a Saga me direct. And we are even not Saga, but I Damoe the way. And our man, don't try to. That's why anything you know now, better say it. Do my remember all. When we don't like one another, fear not let it not get. See why not.
Mama Nara, shut up, oh, you don't enter ya, I know everything about you. And no get tell him. No trust the man where you not fair trust her. Man, no need to talk. Say, you know, just shut up, let your talk. Because see what get everything about you. Ogba we ginowa, ogba we lowa. Where husband and wife they talk for inside house. And no get don't carry see what tell her everything that about you. So just shut up. Not deny for a no girl.
You know.
And he said,
Remember for me, we matter lawyer. What do you want to again? And then start crying. I don't make better work. Baby, I mean,
I said, Dorish, I know what I'm saying.
I swear. See the way that they move.
You don't say now what you say. Get what? Already me, I'm a very, very smart person. I know what I'm saying.
You know smart. The secret here, ladia.
Not here, when your enemy wants to come, when your friend wants to become your enemy will become your friend. When your friend wants to become your enemy,
you don't get confused. You were confused.
You will first of all become a friend to your enemy indoor. Okay? Then when I become my friend in there, where me, I know what I'm doing. I can message you where I'm not having me or even the attack baby, but it's so unfortunate that when
go there, I beg, don't be sad down, don't be batting.
When you
ask my love, he say, see what get to now audio where she wants anybody they cash out. Any audio not there, my darling.
Ide mama Nora o. Ide mama Nora never talk o. SCM dear shut up. Ide audio de o gunu wa gunu. Yes. No see now this one if you cause out to the plan now, ekwe de muwa. You say la say this woman not get passport. La say he for Ibo. La say he marry Ibo no marry her. He not get passport. Or give me passport la da una san. Una le ma isa guy. Una ile. When the woman prove la da woman prove la da. Una the saga person no. You say how many years for her brother not get passport. Or give me passport la da to san. We passport oja. But when ever una saga or you passport la dia wa mai saga wa le when wa jeru wa wori wa beji no me na go make una life better.
Oh, but Tony got record him any audio no dey at all. Anything you want to play, she go send her for you.
Couple.
One person not dey gossip. I don't
ungrateful. Ungrateful.
On the honest, you're waiting about.
But for me, you know, for myself.
Oh, you do that.
You see, you hear the talk. He said that they are two. For inside, he not there. I said that they are two. And also, you know, why you feel calm down. Where would you? Where Sherry?
Maybe I'll say again, but my way, my anything in my own but on have anything over against him, no turn or you, because while again, Kedari are the yea, Etiman, wow, I only watch her from distance, yea, because when you may get you actually do my thing. I just did it. Go on with mama. Get you actually do my thing. I mean, I will me emergency worry you know, you don't do that. So that in the eyes of people, you don't get try. Because you cannot imagine someone not your body year with your less settle. Like bomb and no marry, like bomb and always see no man. And you say I'll be your godfather. So my people,
you lost your respect as your godfather.
Number one,
you lost your respect.
Lovely, no wagwan. Love your kuya. Open your ears very well, lovely. You know, since there they look you know why? Because you have no life with you. You are like a walking corpse.
Go on. See person where they talk.
No get the fear.
Yes, yeah.
Man, yeah. Since I no get the fear, man.
You the fear because you want to expose you.
But see why? Tiens, il faut que no matter no ya careful. Now,
you no get the fear.
Why they no get the fear or you get the fear? I said, no, maybe why?
You no get come like water.
So, enjoy ya. Not even 1991. You never ever in your life.
Every day fear saga for see well because they no get don't talk many things, my sister.
You dey talk say proud mom marriage.
They no get when we do they talk like this. My sister. They no get don't wrong matter the grand.
Person wey don't do marriage, we man no make peace with social media.
Yeah. Our way saga go start on the Nenemi 20. Nene saga we don't do your honeymoon. You say you go start saga on the so now if I start the saga now. I will not say saga then do what you defer for you not get rest of man. What your saga now embrace the way. What guitar we know rest from marriage just finish. Yeah. We will not you wait all the day we want to do saga. Who as well.
I'm proud Mugu. Person way proud Mugu. Iko ya no wa.
We proud Mugu.
Proud Mugu you do marriage. We man no we peace ya. SB bring where you for do marriage come as emotion. Can you when I we marriage the hell I just my baby. I want to see it. Bring it up. Let's see.
Look get back to the saga.
All your life, no matter ever come your life. You sit down for there. It's your teeth.
We're not begging you. We're not me.
Then post a picture of they thought that this one be wet.
I will bear with foolish couple.
Traditional marriage is the video.
Why would it not be most? Not choice.
Lovely 1991. Where your husband?
Why would it not be most? Not choice.
Which marriage you don't ever do for your entire life? What a jealous problem.
Well, no way marriage. Well, probably we marriage. I'm not begging, but now. Epa Eddie video. I don't see my I even the concept. The video what I do yesterday. I don't know how you take do. I don't see for my work. What get promo. That one a bad omen. Me, I never come. And they even they come for that. I want to do the video again. I do video yesterday. Imagine the video what I do yesterday. I not come see the video again. I was annoyed this morning when I found that video.
Person will go do marriage for Nigeria. Person will do marriage for Europe and still do for Nigeria. The both marriage when I do.
Hey, shut up, Gunu. You know bego. Gawata, my begging. Where for the beginning to the end? Our marriage you were born. Who made it your name marriage? Yeah, I wanna get die, but Oguna is the body. Oh yeah, don't you cut away breast, nipple. If you see nipple on top of cloth, hey, baba, my head, esagabu. I want my daddy felt kick the back. He never start the back, me felt kick him. Nonsense. Mother beg when we don't beggy. Precious me go on you go to when we ya pay brand price of general. True of us. Generata. Our marriage you were bag. I want we go one we were boy. Our marriage. For no good way.
Shamuya. You want me to call the compare with him? If I know me, my mama will know the marriage in somewhere. I'm out in a do a little attack me where. Okay, well, what's so where you don't tell? What did they worry you the Chris?
Mammy.
Oh, wow. I love the Iyore. You did Chris. If you don't stop to the shop your medicine, go back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. Well, yeah, you go. That you go where?
Well. But that one throw breast, so that one not be married.
After many years in Europe,
he betray, but what he gonna do? Go fuck up. Me I not call that one. Throw breast, nipple. My sister. Now truth, but the nipple. He spoil everything. That one a bad omen. Bad omen.
And some of my lovers, where to be presenters, all of una, I feel sat down in a minute. That is why I'm calling no game matter. And they look you since they Chris, it's a bay. It's a good way. Don't you know you are mentally deranged? Now your matter even carry me come, not be see why issue. They see what I'm topic in you. I'm interested. When I'm ready, maybe we can know you will say ready to win and do with saga. But now I still give a chance.
Hello, get shut up, I go on.
That is the only chance in the so when they come better, why you know, when you have been vigilance, we not do worry no way. When you got to work with self, where they could address me as a Godfather, just call me in no game way so that I go to sweet them to analyze. Because the video where they analyze now, we even tell Godfather way. Iyore, have you checked yourself lately? The kind of person that you are. May I talk to you because you be old presenter will not blow. You be old presenter. Why not blow? You be old presenter till today. You cannot boast of 100 views. You be old presenter. Why never shop Facebook?
You will get 100 views. You will they get view. Where are you going to Yahoo? All these people where they not get view. Agbiya maso way. Agbiya maso way when they want me view. Then you go where Yahoo? You will expire. You might forward. You might continue. Our strategy you wear. Before you go, they talk about reason. You know they get a recharge for you. You know they get a recharge for you. You know they get life money for life you. Well, no, then you go. We don't go. We are Yahoo. Oh my God, we are Muaji. You got it for you. You know you got it for you. When the millions of you, you go. You beggy. You of you go. You tell you are beggy.
Say that this one be marriage, that will not be marriage. You don't ever see person who want to do something, marriage or anything. Go bury yourself. May God not let us lost our loved ones. I assist. I can't come here now to saga Padmon. Why will I do that? I don't know if you saga me for the day when we do wedding, you know, for Europe for you. But they told her, if I say the time I see where Padmon saga you for your wedding. If you even saga me for my wedding, I go still do senior thing now. Even when we know when.
Ubega na omuwe. But when my Godfather do marriage, una do saga eh. But when you do marriage, but my Godfather not come and come saga you. You see, say you dey learn from my Godfather. You are learning. You see, say my Godfather not write topic about you. You see, I say what you use your mouth talk. You say you don't know whether it's saga you for your marriage or even they saga you for your marriage, you not go saga around because they mature. You see, you are learning from my Godfather. Daddy, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. You see, you are learning from my Godfather now. You are learning before that time when you come out, you say, my Godfather, they fear your saga. Now make you not come out for your marriage. Or you want to talk, you say your marriage luxurious and manu. Now make my Godfather not feel cut off. That means that is the reason why I don't fit up on the show proud more. Oh, we don't want on luxurious is or where I when I tie. Better not the 4 copy. On the matter of marriage. Now, no so proud man, now I do that marriage. Everybody know. Oh, no so proud man, I do that marriage because he want to do and make people see and yes, that guy not the work. He dey dance. He say I say he dey dance. Oh, no so proud man they dance because why? He not beg. Now money and not dance. Your beg mama don't fit dance like that. If he dance now, person will contribute money for her. That one go use body eat am. He go see maintain himself. Because see another do marriage now. Money where they contribute for marriage. I when one no return now. Now the same me na call return now. Come on, shut up. Now because my Godfather never carried the matter, now make me just see low. Yeah. Nigga, I'm not saying not low now. If you for your marriage, then you go dance, you will get comfortable because nobody contribute money for your life for the marriage.